a major or a lot of camels. Well, my Taj Mahal, where I'm from. Come on, drop that major right here. Do it. Hold and spin. Well, that was not very fun. Six tambourines. Got the volume max. Oh, one more. Taj Mahal. Ah, that's where the Raj is from, right there at the Taj Mahal. Very famous landmark in Italy. If you guys have ever seen it. I'm just kidding, guys. The Taj Mahal is in India, not Italy. They just both start with I's. Six tambourines. I will start a band. Ah, look at that. Two Taj Mahals. This machine is not very nice. Come on, machine. Ooh, 4 Scorpion, only $75. That's not very good. The heck? Come on, 3 more. Let's just lucky winner. Two more. All right, this thing. Well, I promise you guys, $250 spin, so we'll do a couple on this one for you. You guys ready for it? All right, first one. $250. Hey, not bad. $500. There we go. Doubled our money. And nothing on that one. Come on. Need a bonus here. Oh, there we go. Another 500. 2 more spins. 540. Come on, 3 more. Oh. Oh, stuff the old turkey up here. All right, another 250 down the drain. All right, nothing like spending $250 for $50 back. Fucking Taj Mahals we need here. Ooh, that's big. 1,500. Boom, baby. All right, got a little back out of it. Oh, actually more than 1,500, guys. 2,500, I think. Wait, more than that, actually, guys. Like $5 grand. I think we locked this one up, too. Boom, 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 boom. $5,500. I gotta put that in the old Snapchat. We have so many lines that just paid. There we go. Boom, 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 baby. Yeah! Thank God you guys had a star party, because I would have never bet $250 a spin. So now we've locked up 2 machines. There may not be any machines left to play. We hit the star party. I'm like, I'm going to do $250 bets tonight. And they did it. These $250 bets have paid off. I can't believe that. 12-5. I know. We hit this one first at 5, then 5,500. All right. Let's see how this one's doing again. Warm her up. Oh my God! Look at that. Come on. Don't forget, guys, RajaFreePlay.com. Make sure you log in and see if you're a winner. And don't forget the Big Jackpot slot app, the new New Year's booster surprise is out. Make sure you guys check it out. Lots of fun to play, and Team Raja needs players. If you want to join my team, I need players. Come join us. Also, big shout out to all our Patreon members watching live. And we're going to wrap this up after a couple more spins on this one. And then, you know what? I'm going to do a little Patreon play. You guys want to join our Patreon group, just go to patreon.com/The Big Jackpot. And we have moderators standing by to get you added tonight. Just follow the directions and make sure when you go to Facebook to get on and to watch, you use the correct code. They will get you added right in. Oh, come on, 3 more. Ah. All right, last chance. And all right, need 3 of those.
Just because I'm too normal. I don't do anything too quirky enough to get a nickname, right?
Taj Mahals, 3 Taj Mahals. That's where the Raja's from, right there. Oh, that's why I like this game so much. Brings back memories. Taj Mahals, need 3 of them. You know what? We'll go to 75 this spin.
Yeah,
Tracy D likes when I bet big.
I do.
Turns her on.
Definitely. Makes me work hard.
You too. I don't know anybody. I'm here by myself. Everyone made me feel bad.
Oh God, I have a dragon cash if you want. Justin has a dragon link if you want it. The dragon, the $1 million.
Oh, he does?
Yeah.
Yeah. Make sure confirm it.
What are you doing? Oh, 11/11. Oh, I'm looking at the picture.
One more. Oh,
Yeah. I have a niece too that she's 18 now.
look at that teasing.
When she was little like that, I mean, people walk up to her. She's so cute. She's so beautiful.
I'm not ready.
Come on.
She had eyelashes that were like feathers. Not so much anymore, but she had like the thickest eyelashes.
We got the $1 million. All right.
All right, let's get the
$1
note.
million. We got a Dragon Link secured.